So prove that determinant of alpha square beta plus beta square gamma plus gamma square alpha plus beta is equal to beta minus gamma minus alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay. So in this case, adding first and third column here. Okay. So take your solution. Here C1 gives here C1 plus C3. Okay. Here's left side determinant is equal to determinant of adding the columns here. So instead of C1 we take C3. So C3 gives C1 plus C3 means you just change the third column in. First second column keep as it is, alpha, beta and gamma, alpha square, beta square, gamma square keep as it is. Adding these two columns here, alpha plus beta plus gamma, then again alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Here in this column all the elements are same here. We can take a common factor here. Yes, so this equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. Keep outside here. Determinant of alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha square, beta square and gamma square. 1, 1 and 1 here. Here all the elements are 1, 1 and 1 here. Make the two terms 0 there. 1 minus 1 0 means R2 minus R1 as well as R3 minus R1 here. Yes, R2 gives here R2 minus of R1 and R3 gives R3 minus of R1. Yes, this equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant of first row keep as it is here, alpha square and 1 here. Beta minus alpha, beta square minus alpha square here. Beta square minus alpha square, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Gamma minus alpha, gamma minus of alpha and gamma square minus alpha square. Gamma square minus alpha square, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Okay. Then here use the a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Yes, so this is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant of, you write here alpha, beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha here. Gamma minus alpha, then write here alpha square, beta square minus alpha square is beta plus alpha into beta minus alpha, gamma square minus alpha square is gamma plus alpha into gamma minus alpha here, and here last column 1, 0 and 0. So from second row beta minus alpha common, from third row gamma minus alpha is a common factor. Yes, sir. This equal to beta minus alpha into gamma minus of alpha into this alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant of alpha square 1. Right as it is alpha square and 1 here. Here beta minus alpha is a common factor. So write here 1 beta plus alpha and 0. And here gamma minus alpha is a common. So write here 1 gamma plus alpha and it is a 0. Okay. Even we can make this term also 0. R3 minus R10. Yes, R3 third row gives here R3 minus of R2. So therefore this is equal to beta minus of alpha and gamma minus alpha and alpha plus beta plus gamma right here into here only third row changes here R3. So first and second row keep as it is. So alpha square and 1 here. Then 1 beta plus alpha and it is a 0. Then 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then gamma plus alpha minus beta plus alpha. Alpha cancels here. Gamma minus beta. Gamma minus of beta. Then 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. Okay. Then from last column here, gamma minus beta is a common factor. Yes, so this is equal to beta minus of alpha, gamma minus alpha, and gamma minus beta. Common factor keep outside and into alpha plus beta plus gamma into determinant of alpha square and 1 here. 1 beta plus alpha and 0, and here gamma minus beta common factor, so 0, 1 and 0. Okay. Now you expand this determinant here and you just observe here beta minus gamma is there. Okay, but here gamma minus beta, we take a minus common factor here. Therefore minus of beta minus gamma. This becomes a minus of beta minus gamma. Then gamma minus alpha is there. Gamma minus alpha keep as it is. Gamma minus of alpha write as it is. And alpha minus beta is there, but here beta minus alpha. Even here also take minus common factor. Okay. Therefore minus is the common factor here. Then it becomes alpha minus beta, and write this one as it is here. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay. Therefore, I am writing here. Therefore, this is equal to minus of beta minus gamma. Then gamma minus alpha minus of alpha minus of beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay. Now you expand this determinant here into the getter. So alpha, then beta plus alpha into 0 becomes a 0 minus of 0 into 1 becomes a 0. It is a 0. Then alpha square here, minus of alpha square into 1 into 0 is a 0, and 0 into 0 becomes a 0. Then 1 into, so plus 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of 0 into beta plus alpha is 0. So here minus into this minus becomes a plus here. Minus into minus plus. Therefore this is equal to beta minus of gamma, gamma minus of alpha, and alpha minus of beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. And here this is a 0. This term is 0. Even this is also 0. Here 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Remaining is 1 here. 1 is this one. Therefore, we get the required result here. So evaluate determinant of x, y, x plus y, x plus y and x plus y, x and y is there. So in this case, adding all the columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore, this equal to determinant of sum of these three terms here. X plus x becomes 2x, y plus y is 2y. Hence it has two common factor here, x plus y. Sum of these three terms here, 2 into x plus y here. Even here also 2 into x plus y. Second and third column right here, y, x plus y and x. Then x plus y, x and y here. Here 2 into x plus y common factor here. 2 into bracket x plus y is the common into determinant of 1 and 1 here. Then y, x plus y and x. Then x plus y, x and y. Then here 1 and 1 here. Make two terms of zeros. Hence R2 gives here R2 minus of R1. And R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. Therefore, this equal to 2 into x plus y into determinant of 1, y and x plus y. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. This is 0 here. Then x plus y minus y. Y and y cancels here. Remaining is x. Then x minus of this here, x and x cancels. Remaining is minus of y. 1 minus 1 is 0. X minus y. It is x minus of y. Then y minus of this here. Y and y cancels. Remaining is minus of x here. Minus of x. Now you expand it here. Expand the determinant. Therefore 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y into bracket. So 1 into x into minus x here. 1 into bracket minus of x square. Minus. Okay, x into minus x is a minus x square here. Minus. Then this into this here. Minus y into x minus y. And minus this minus becomes a plus here. Y into x minus y. Bracket complete here. Then minus of y. Minus y. 0 into this is a 0. And minus y to 0 becomes a 0. Then plus x plus y. X plus y into bracket. 0 into x minus y is a 0. Minus of x into 0 becomes a 0. Bracket completely. Therefore, this is equal to 2 into x plus y into bracket minus of x square here. Minus of x square. Y into x xy plus xy. Minus y into minus y is a minus of y square here. Bracket complete. And this term is a 0. Then this is also 0. This term becomes a 0 and this term is also 0. Remaining only this one here. Take a minus common factor here. Minus of 2 into x plus y into bracket x square minus of xy plus y square here. Yes, this equal to minus 2 into x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. It is a standard formula here. So it is x cube plus y cube here. So this is the formula. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square is x cube plus y cube. So minus 2 into x cube plus y cube is the answer here. So evaluate determinant of 1 x y, 1 x plus y y, 1 x and x plus y. Make two terms 0 there. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 here. Yes sir, R2 gives here R2 minus of R1 and R3 gives R3 minus R1 here. Therefore this equal to 1 x and y. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Then this minus this here, x and x cancels, remaining is y. Y minus y becomes 0. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. X minus x is 0 here. And x plus y minus y. Y and y cancels, remaining is x here. So here 1 y and x, these are the diagonal elements here. And one side elements are zeros here. In that case, value of the determinant is product of the diagonal elements here. Therefore, here the answer is x y here. So prove that this determinant equal to 1 plus p into x y z, x minus y into y minus z into z minus x here. Here in this last column here, sum of two terms are there. Sum of two terms. So there is one property here. If any row or any column elements are sum of two terms here, then you can express as a sum of two determinants. It is a form property here. Property of the determinant. Hence, LHS is equal to determinant of x, y, z, x square, y square, z square here, x square, y square and z square. Right here 1 and 1 here, 1 and 1. Then plus here, determinant of, again write these two columns as it is, x, y and z here. Then x square, y square and z square. Then px cube here, px cube, py cube and pz cube. Okay, you can express as a sum of two determinants here. You are using a property. Then from first row x is a common here, y is a common factor in the second row, third row z is a common factor. Therefore this equal to, okay, therefore determinant of x, y and z here, then x square, y square and z square, 1 and 1 here. Then plus here x, y, z common factor, x, y and z is a common factor, determinant of. Here remaining is a 1. Then here x and here x square. Okay, the px square. Okay, this is p into x square. Px square. Here y is a common factor, so y here, y is a common, then it is a 1 here. Remaining term is 1. Then here y and here p into y square. Here z is a common factor 1, z, then p z square. P z square. Okay. Then here can take a p common factor from this column. P is a common factor, so write p outside. And here interchanging the first and last column here. If you interchange here, then the sign of this determinant changes here. So plus becomes a minus here. I am writing here minus. So determinant of, write 1 and in the first column here. Second column right here x square, y square and z square here. Then right here x, y and z here. You are interchanging first and last columns here. Hence plus becomes a minus here. Then plus here p is the common factor. So right here p outside. P into x, y, z into determinant of. Right here 1 and 1 here. X, y and z, x square, y square and z square. Again interchange these two columns here, first and second column. Then this minus becomes a plus here. So therefore this equal to determinant of. This minus becomes plus. Right here 1 and 1 here. Interchange these two columns here. So right here x, y and z. Then x square, y square and z square. Then plus p into bracket p into x y z, p into x y z, p x y z into determinant of 1 and 1 here, x, y and z, x square, y square and z square. You just observe here, these two determinants are same here. You can take a common factor. Take a determinant as a common here. Then remaining here 1. Remaining here 1. Therefore, 1 plus and a remaining term p x y z. So p into x y z right in the bracket here into determinant of 1 and 1 here x y z then x square y square and z square. Okay, here this is a common factor. Yeah. So remaining here 1 and here p x y z is right in the bracket. Here make these two terms 0 0 r2 minus r1 and r3 minus r1 here. So r2 gives here r2 minus of r1 and r3 gives here r3 minus of r1 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 plus p x y z here into determinant of first element write as it is 1 x and x square. So write here 1 x and x square. Then r2 minus r1 here 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. So it is a 0. Then y minus x. Y minus of x here. Y square minus x square. Hence it is a y square minus of x square. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is a 0. It is a 0. Then z minus x here. So z minus of x. Then z square minus x square. So z square minus of x square. And you know that y square minus x square use a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Hence it is a y minus x into y plus x. So y minus x is a common factor here. Even here also z minus x is a common factor. I am writing a direct step here. 1 plus p x y z here into. Here you are taking y minus x common here. And here z minus x common factor. Into determinant of 1 x square. Right here 1 x and x square. From second row, y minus x common here, so 0 here. And here is 1. And here it becomes y plus x here. Here z minus x is a common factor, so 0. And right here 1. And here it becomes z plus x here. Okay. You will make this one also 0 here. R3 minus R2. So R3 gives R3 minus of R2 here. Yes, this equal to 1 plus p x y z here into bracket y minus x z minus x into determinant of 1 x and x square here. Then 0, 1 and y plus x here. Then 0 minus 0 becomes a 0. 1 minus 1 is a 0 here. This minus this here. X and x cancels z minus y here. Is a z minus of y. Z minus y. So therefore 1 z minus y. Diagonal elements one side elements are 0 here. Direct multiply the diagonal elements here. Yes, this is equal to 1 plus p into x y z into y minus x z minus x here 1 into 1 becomes 1 into 1 into z minus y. It is a z minus y. Then the other terms are here x minus y is there, but here y minus x minus common factor, and y minus z here, but here z minus y. Even here also minus common factor. From here and here minus is a common factor here. Minus into minus becomes a plus here. 1 plus p x y z. Here minus common factor x minus y. Here minus common factor here. It becomes y minus z. Minus minus becomes plus here. Into z minus x keep as is. So z minus of x here. So it is a required result here. So prove that LHS equal to RHS here. In this case, adding all the columns here. So C1 gives here C1 plus C2 plus C3. Therefore, LHS is equal to the determinant here. Sum of these three columns here, minus A, minus 2A plus 3A becomes only A. Then plus B plus C here, plus B plus C. Similarly, sum of these three terms gives A plus B plus C. Sum of these three terms gives A plus B plus C. Then second column elements minus A plus B. Then 3B minus C plus B. Then minus A plus C minus B plus C and 3C write as it is here. Here A plus B plus C common factor here. Hence this equal to A plus B plus C is the common factor. Determinant of right here 1 and 1 here. Minus A plus B. Then 3B minus C plus B here. Then minus A plus C minus B plus C here. Then it is 3C here. And here 1 and 1 here make two terms zeros. Hence R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 here. So R2 gives here R2 minus of R1 and R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. Hence this equal to A plus B plus C into determinant of 1 here minus A plus B minus A plus C. Then 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. This is 0. Then 3B minus of this here. 3B minus B becomes 2B here. 2B plus A. So it gives 2B plus A. Okay, 3B minus B gives 2B. Minus becomes plus A. Then this minus of this here. C and C cancels here. Minus B plus A. Therefore it is A minus B. It gives A minus B. 1 minus 1 is 0. It is 0. Then this minus of this here. B and B cancels. Minus C plus A. Means A minus C. It is A minus C. Then this minus this here. 3C minus C becomes 2C here. 2C and minus A becomes plus A here. Plus A. Now expand this determinant here. So therefore this equal to A plus B plus C into determinant of. So 1 into bracket 2B plus A into 2C plus A. 2B plus A into 2C plus A minus of A minus B into A minus C here. A minus B into A minus of C. Bracket complete. Then minus of. Here minus A plus B. 0 into this is a 0. This into 0 becomes 0. So second term is 0. Similarly, minus A plus C into this into 0 is a 0. This term into 0 is a 0. Again, third term is also 0. So both term becomes a 0. Therefore, this equal to A plus B plus C here into multiply the terms here. 2B into 2C for BC here. 2B into A. 2AB. Then A into 2C. 2AC. A into A becomes A square plus A square. Write the terms in a bracket. Then minus of. Again multiply the terms here. A into A becomes A square. A into minus C. Minus of AC. Minus B into A. Minus of AB. Minus B into minus C plus BC. So bracket are complete here. Now take this minus inside here. Take minus inside this bracket. Yes, so this is equal to A plus B plus C into bracket 4BC, then plus 2AB plus 2AC plus A square. Take a minus inside here. So minus of A square here. This minus becomes a plus AC, and this minus becomes a plus here, plus AB, and this plus becomes a minus of BC, minus BC. Therefore, this is equal to A plus B plus C into. So 2AB plus AB, 3AB here. This is a 3AB. Then 4BC minus BC here. So 3BC. Then plus here. Then 2AC plus AC. So 3AC here. Here 3 common factor. So I write the 3 outside here. 3 into A plus B plus C here into bracket AB plus BC plus AC here. So this is our required result. Okay.